Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will draw a young woman with some light. First, we loosely do the sketch. By the way, if you have some difficulty seeing the line, with the settings symbol on the lower right of the screen, you can change the quality to high definition. Okay, let's refine the outline of the face and then draw the eyebrows. It can be something like this, and the eyes. I mark where the shadow will be and we draw the iris on each eye, then the nose with its shadow. I will raise the shoulder all the way over here and the arm to the elbow right here. Alright. I think this sketch is taking shape. We should also do the line of the dress. I'm drawing with the 203 mechanical pencil. The list of materials that I am using is in the description below the video. I add a little bit of hair up here and then I will clean up this line which is in the area of light, precisely because I will add a little bit later some light and I want it to be clean. For now, let's shade. And I may leave the shape of an earring. For this drawing, I will mainly shade with hatching and cross-hatching. Let's clean up also this area a little bit and shade a little bit more. This is so fun to do. I love drawing so much. I make a line to delineate the next shadow and then do it. The shade may be darker in this area close to the light, and then we do another layer including over that area to shade the rest of the arm. As you see, I'm drawing on grey toned paper. And that tone alone will be like a middle tone for the drawing. So after doing the darker shades, I will just need to add a little bit of light. We add some hair and fine-tune some details. I add just a little bit of volume to the back of the head and clean up some lines. Okay, good. Now we're ready to add some light. I do this first with a yellow. We add this yellow to the edge on the right, which is where the light is coming from. Not everywhere, I just want some highlights to the arm, the face and forehead, and some touches to the hair. Then I go over it very lightly with an orange, a bright orange, and over that we add white to make it all lighter and therefore brighter. Very good, excelente! It's ready! If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already, click on the little bell to get notifications of new videos, and I will see you with more art on Tuesday.